Hi everyone! Welcome back to Pastel Talks. Today is a special one. It's the final episode of Season 1. I am Fotini, and over the past few episodes I've walked you through how to build and grow your affiliate program, how to compensate affiliates, and how to protect your program from fraud. So before we wrap things up, it's time to zoom out for a second. Because before you build an affiliate program, you need to ask yourself a bigger question. Is my business even ready for affiliate marketing? So today I'm sharing the 5 key questions you must ask yourself before launching an affiliate program, all based on what we've seen work and not work with SaaS companies. Ready? Let's go! First things first, before you ask affiliates to promote your product, make sure that you have nailed your core funnel. Ask yourself, is my landing page clear? Does my onboarding convert? Do my users stick around? Because if you're dealing with churn, unclear messaging, and low conversion rate, no affiliate can save you. You need a proven product, a strong value proposition, and a smooth user journey that turns traffic into paying customers. Take Podia, for example. They nailed this before scaling with affiliates. With over 150,000 creators using their tools, Podia had already built something people loved, and more importantly, a product that sold itself. So when they used Rewardful to revamp their affiliate program, everything clicked. In just 5 months, they doubled their affiliate revenue, cut costs, and made it easier for affiliates because the product was already doing the hard work. And that's the key. Your affiliate program shouldn't fix your business problems. It should amplify what is already working. So before you start recruiting others to start promoting your product, make sure that you can sell your product first. The next question to ask is, are there affiliates in your niche? And just as important, can you actually reach them? Some markets are full of active affiliates. If your industry is finance, health, online education, or creator tools, then you are in luck. These spaces are affiliate friendly. But in other niches and industries, affiliates aren't always easy to find. This doesn't mean though that it won't work. It just means that you will need to get a bit more creative with who you will partner and where you will find them. Take Hunter, for example. Hunter are an AI-powered resume builder and job research management platform. Not exactly a typical affiliate hotspot. Hunter didn't start with a huge audience or a dedicated affiliate team. Instead, they looked for creators who already had trust in career-focused communities. Think LinkedIn, resume coaching spaces, and job seeker Slack channels. Fast forward to today, Hunter has over 100 active affiliates and has generated tens of thousands of dollars in affiliate revenue. You just need to find the people your audience already trusts and give them something worth sharing. The next question is a big one. It's easy to focus on what you're gaining from an affiliate program. More reach, more signups, more growth. But here's the thing. For your program to work, affiliates need to win too. They are not doing you a favor. They are investing their time, audience, and credibility. So ask yourself, is there a real opportunity for them to make money? That's exactly what Aragon figured out. Aragon's offer is clear, competitive, and compelling. 30% recurring commission. No limits, no caps. Many of their top affiliates are earning hundreds, even thousands of dollars each month by just sharing Aragon with their networks. In just 2 years, they grew their affiliate network to nearly 2,000 partners, and together they generated close to $1 million in affiliate revenue. Here's a quick word from Wesley Tian, co-founder and CEO of Aragon.
At some point, half of our revenue was coming from affiliates, and then our organic search and Google search rankings started to improve as well. Having almost 2,000 affiliates now, having generated almost $1 million in net revenue from Rewardful. It's just an easy way to generate more revenue.
At the end of the day, affiliates aren't just looking for a great product. They need a clear, repeatable way to earn from it. So let's say you've got a great product. You found affiliates who are a perfect fit, and you've put together an offer that's actually worth promoting. Then there's one more question you can't skip. Can your team actually manage an affiliate program? Because affiliate marketing is not a set it and forget it channel. The moment affiliates will start signing up, they will need support. From answering questions to creating creating new assets, to tracking performance and sending payouts, managing a program is a real commitment. Now, tools like Rewardful can make your life easier. You can automate tracking, streamline payouts, and even detect and stop self-referral fraud. But tools alone aren't enough. You also need to show up, communicate, and build strong relationships. Because affiliates are an extension of your brand and your team. And if you ghost them, they will ghost you too. And finally, the last question to ask before you launch your affiliate program: are you playing the long game or are you just looking for quick wins? Affiliate marketing can drive fast results. But if that's your only goal, you might end up disappointed, because the real value of affiliate marketing shows up over time. It's built on trust, relationships, and consistency. Just look at the examples from today. Podia, Hunter, Aragon, their success didn't happen overnight. It happened because they were committed. They built something worth sharing, they gave people a reason to share it, and they stuck with it. So if you're ready to build something sustainable and you're in it for the long game, affiliate marketing might become one of your most powerful growth channels. So, should you launch an affiliate program? If you said yes to most of these questions, then great news, you are ready. If not, no worries. Get the basics right and come back to it when the time is right. And just like that, we reached the end of season 1 of Pastel Talks. If you've been following along, I hope you're walking away with more clarity and the confidence to run a successful affiliate program. As always, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned. More good stuff is coming soon. Now it's time to enjoy one last pastel de nata, at least for now.